wanted to go away with you. And I will leave all my troubles here. I wanted to go away with you. And I will leave all my troubles here.
Lost in the night, having hard times trying to see the light. I would hate more than Sprite. Who dreams those turn into rap dreams? Runaway girls turn into smack fiends. Cool niggas got lost in this cold world. I'm still trying to get what this world mean. You don't gotta travel far to where I've been. You could get there, we smoking codeine. Oh please, drop to your knees. Before I breathe, gotta catch up with the wind. Can't live without sin, be a kin that want everything you is and you ever been. They can't stop me, rag like a Rockies. Blasting all these niggas for the color of they flag. They don't understand a brotherhood when two niggas gotta kill for the greater good of the Av. What to do when you feel like you can't afford water? Gotta fend for my daughter. A rebel for quarters, see frames without borders. Widescreen, it's a nice scene. The extras on corners don't fight clean, they don't ride clean. All they know is get money and rock fiends. You expected different, go and blame the system. Now it's black on black at a light skin. And now these white women got them black niggas. It's nature to want what you can't have. And who are these crackers that tell me I can't? 40 plus acres of mule in the land. I wanted it all till I caught out the scam. Built on my own and started a brand. It's all in the plan. Man fell when the sky fall. Moon rose and then I flied off. I was high, dog, to get my mind off. All the pain and the hurt that my eyes saw. It's 2013, fuck a mind cough. My right hand Italiano. For that nigga I catch a homo. Go sick for my team, no Chuck Pagano. Cold 45 sipping in a Henny bottle. We gon' see tomorrow, we gon' win tonight. Just gotta keep it thorough. We gon' see the world and do this music right. With the big chains on and the stupid ice. Cause we don't work too damn hard not to pay the price. My weight in gold couldn't hold or spend a life. No cold signs, just the grind, niggas kept it tight. Still a long road from here, we gon' make the hike. Life. Get away with me.